Alright, Joms TV Media on a beautiful Thursday afternoon, and we're on our way to San Beda College, Alabang for the SBC AutoFest 2025. Right? So this will be an event on the school premise, so back to school tayo. And we're going to witness different builds from different students, if I'm not mistaken, and also from other car clubs. So masaya to kasi it's all about student power. And yun, so very exciting to. Please like and subscribe this channel, so watch till the end so that you will be and also notified. Hit the bell notification so you'll be notified for new videos that we're going to upload. Alright? Thank you very much for your support. Maraming salamat. Have a great day. God bless. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's go! Alright guys, we're here at, it used to be Benedictine Abbey. Right. Alright guys, kasama natin ang mga guards at security ng San Beda College na dating Benedictine, na dito tayo nag-aral dati. Homecoming. Sir, good afternoon. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And more power. Alright, thank you sir. Ingat po. Saan pala sir? Yes, ito yung elementary building dati. Ito, papunta tayo ng high school building. College building na daw pala ngayon yun. Right. Nice. Shoutout sa mga alumni ng Benedictine Abbey. Of course, kay Sir Migs Arle, kay Sir Carlos Hanggalan, at saka kay Sir Mike Perez. Nga pala. So, shoutout sa inyo of MP Turbo. Alright. Alright guys, nandito na tayo. Kaya tayo pwede pumarada. Right.
So if you have questions about real estate, property management, please feel free to approach us. Thank you.
Thank you, Albeo, for that short.
Alright guys, Jones TV Media, we are already here at the school of this is the Saint Bene, this is the San Beda College, Alabang. And we are here at the Saint Bede Hall, guys, Chill Media, you know. So we're already here and yan, solid yung mga entries. So let's start off with this BMW. And tapos nag-a-announce na sila nung mga nanalo sa... This is a 1 series. May mga 1 series, may mga BM, may mga Vios. Solid. Tapos merong Camry. Tapos of course may Eclipse na 97 if you could remember. Tapos to my surprise, ang judge si Tutol Ramirez. So, friends from the media. Hi ma'am. And currently nagja-judge si Sir Tutol. So he's one of the mostly recognized judge in the South for car shows. Yan si Mr. Tutol Ramirez of Car Mavens. So yan, of course, ito nakausap natin si ma'am kanina. Ito yung kanyang Eclipse na naka 4G63 na turbo. Solid. Nakausap natin, hopefully ma-feature din natin to. Set tayo ng appointment and yun. Ayan, Chill Media. Kakalat to. Paikot-ikot. As of course, may Type R. Tapos guys, tingnan nyo to. Toyota Tamaraw FX na ano ba model to? Pero grabe, sobra parang fresh pa yung ano, fresh pa yung paint. Tingnan nyo guys, check this out, diba? Shoutout sa AUV Pinas, andun tayo last week nung kanilang event. Chill Media, ano masasabi mo sa event?
Ganda siya.
Kamusta entry?
Entry?
Kamusta yung mga entry? Saan ba? Guys, naka-Type R yan o, yung kotse niya. Ay, ito ba? Hindi pala. Guys, check nyo yung page niya. Chill Media. Ha?
Nung naglalakad, yung lokal dito sa Beda.
Yun si ano?
Si Carl.
Si Carl, oh, yun, part ng Chill Media. Na taga dito. Dito, okay. Yun, mamaya. Facebook,
Chill Media.
Instagram,
Chill Media.
TikTok.
Chill Media.
Okay. YouTube. Wala pa. Oh.
Maybe soon.
Maybe soon. Ayan o. Baka yung channel yan.
Ito si Chill Media number 2.
Chill Media number 2. Of course, si Sir, yung kanina may-ari nung sobrang McLaren. Ito yung mga boys of San Beda. Shoutout sa inyo. Kamusta po kayo? Solid show. Galing, solid.
Patalang po kupal po.
Guys, may apan. Guys, all about cars, oh! All about cars, guys! Saka si ma'am, all about cars. Alright guys, ito na yung ibang mga... Ito yung kanina, oh. Solid yung Mustang. Linis nito, oh. Grabe. Solid. Tapos, Pajero. Parang urig paint pa. Yan. Check out yung ilalim. Solid po. Tapos of course, may mga Mustang. So, ito ata, bagong Mustang. Ito yata yung predecessor. Tapos may mga Lexus. So of course, Evo. Shoutout sa Evo Club. Tsaka sa, of course, JDM Underground PH. Solid, oh.
So last winner for the 20%
kulay, oh.
coupon from ZK Parts, I see.
Guys, friends natin from the media. Ano media mo, boss?
Di pa ko media ngayon dito. Screenshots po.
Oh, yung screenshots. So guys, nakakasama natin sila every, like, Cars Plus Coffee, no?
Ang next winner po ay
Tapos, ayan.
Juan Pablo Lopez, owner of the Ferrari
Guys,
575F 2002.
ayun yung ina-announce nito. Ito, yung Bad Boys Ferrari.
Mr.
Of
Juan
course, ayun
Pablo
yung
Lopez.
McLaren.
Juan Pablo
This is
Lopez.
how we roll here in the South. Guys, Ferrari and McLaren. Tapos may Subaru pa.
Dito po ba si Mr. Lopez?
Solid, oh.
Okay. Baka po. Hello. Baka po meron siyang kasama na pwedeng i-claim?
So of course, mayroong Benz
Proxy na
na
po, Proxy.
SLK.
That's it. Ano po
SLK.
gusto yung from
Tapos,
GK
may rally car. Ito, nakakasama na natin during event sa South Unite. Ay, sa
Ayan,
Cars Plus Coffee. Of course, Z3.
Hello.
Gwapo nitong 86, oh.
Hello. So,
Solid, oh. Tapos of course,
babalik po tayo
ito
para sa
ito
last
yung
fight
kay
ng free car wash and walks from Himas League.
Solid.
So, partner, bubulot na ulit.
Parang kay Sir Gian yata ito, eh. Sabi ko na, eh. Puta, guys, oh, Sir Gian, oh. Puta, yung may-ari nito. Solid, oh.
Okay. Sino kaya ang ating
Grabe.
next winner?
Kamusta?
Ayos lang.
Ang ating next
Guys,
winner.
noon ko pa ito, mini-message. Vlog ko siya.
Ngayon lang din naka-oras.
Ngayon nagka-oras, pero set tayo ng appointment sa'yo.
Sige.
Tapos,
Jose.
guys, buong-buo na yung kotse. Ano no? Huwag mo sabihin kung anong bago rito.
Sige. Saan na kapag ganyan na.
Sir, good to see you.
Good to see you, brother.
Good luck, sir.
Pumunta na
Thank
po
you.
dito para sa inyong free. Kaya, dito para
Alright, ito,
sa
here, ito.
Of
course, 86.
Ano po kayo na libreng car wash and walks from Himas League.
Shout out.
From Himas.
Shout out sa JDM Underground. And of course, may mga iba pang 86.
So, last
BRZ,
week po
ito,
tayo.
86. So, ayun yung difference nila, oh.
Tapos ang ating mga susunod,
Hindi ganda
may
ni-
paparambol ang ating
Linis,
also rewards na mula sa Muffler Night of Use at
Grabe.
dalawang Muffler with free installment mula Jomars
May-ari yung Subaru dun, oh.
For the car wash and walks, Mr. Light Dominic Tumimba,
Guys,
owner
solid
of
tong Benz na to.
BMW
Yung
1997.
loob, oh.
Mr.
Ganda ng loob,
Light
man.
Dominic.
Ganyan gusto nating interior ng auto. Especially pag white car. Oh, ganda. Oh, this is the new Toyota. Oh, shout out sa mga sa Toyota Lipa. This is a new Toyota 86. Guys, with the CR badge. Solid, no?
Nakasama niya. Sige.
Let's check yung loob. So hindi pa tayo nakakita ng loob nito, pero pretty much ata may binago sila with the, pero ganda ng GR badge. Oh. Nice. Bango. Nice.
Okay, for last two.
Solid.
Para sa ating car wash and walks.
Guys, check out this LC. May LC na to.
Okay, congrats po kay Miss Micaela.
Of course, this Benz to the 124 na.
Suzuki Jimny
Galing.
2021.
Ganda nito. Ang loob.
Mag-partner po sila. Kaya silang may dala.
Yung loob.
So, ayan.
200 TE na station record na 240. Ay na 400 ay ano na 124 body. Ito, tignan na natin, oh. Shout out sa Banawe Night Kids. Ito kasama natin to, hindi ko lang event pero sa AGC Park Lifestyle. Of course, mayroon din Subaru na STI. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong body to pero this is the sedan. Very nice, very nice. Solid.
Mr. Mark
Of course, naka-perin.
Going out, Mr. Mark Loyola.
Very nice.
Nandito po ba yung...
So of course, so Yaris guys, so the RS. Solid, no? Pa-shoutout sa Clean to Go. Very nice. Nice.
Tapos ito guys, nakausap natin yung may-ari nito kanina. She's a professor here. Her name is Professor Dimaranan. And check this out. Ito yung kanyang Honda Civic na 94 model. Solid guys, so ito pa rin yung original paint na ESI. So ang pinaka-binago lang daw niya is yung mga sidings. Pero mostly, she kept it pati mags, original. Tapos, of course, binago na rin yung engine. In-overhaul pala yung engine. Kanina nakausap natin siya. Tapos, grabe, solid. Of course, first gen na Vios. Grabe, solid. Diba? Ganda nito. So this is the shoutout sa Fitment Love, of course, sa Banawin Night Kids. Solid. Okay, this car naman, this is a Eco Verso. Kumbaga, ito yung lolo nung Yaris na yun. So ito muna, yung Toyota Eco Verso. Tapos they have the Toyota Eco. Pero ito kasi medyo flat. Yung mataas yung bubong. So, yeah. This is bira na natin makita to. Bira na tayo makakita nito. Ayan, Toyota Yaris Verso. So, here in the Philippines is badged as Eco. Solid, bira na tayo makakita nito. Kaya ang mahal na nito eh. This particular car, sobrang hirap na maghanap. Pero, mayroon pa, pero mahal na. Solid, galing. Yung mga students here dito sa Benedictine, San Beda, Alabang. It used to be, ito yung college building daw. Solid. Nice. Alright, okay. So yun, shoutout sa mga friends natin. Ayan mga nag-selfie. Students? Outsiders? Or shoutout sa inyo. Anong group? Media? Luno Cinema. Oh guys, shoutout with Luno Cinema with Joms TV Media. Nice to meet you guys. Like you. And si Ma'am ang may-ari nung Civic na yun. Solid, oh. Hopefully, ma-interview natin si Ma'am. Next time, we'll set an appointment. Pero guys, just to give you a teaser, ito yung kotse ni Ma'am. Sobrang fresh nung kotse niya. Hindi na natin interview siya, guguluhin si Ma'am kasi she's enjoying. At saka may klase pa yata si Ma'am. May klase pa ba, Ma'am? Wala na. O, abangan nyo si Ma'am, feature natin. Alright, Ma'am, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome to our channel and welcome to San Beda. Si Ma'am, professor dito. Thank you. Guys, dumating na si All About Cars. Shoutout sa Chinga. Ayun, dun, doon. Yung parang may kickstart. Guys, of course, ito yung kotse ng judge that we featured, of course, the car of Mr. Tutol Ramirez. Tignan nyo naman yan. Sobrang linis na at sobrang stock. Grabe, solid.
Sir Michael Dani.
So ito yung, this is the Monza booth. Tapos ito yung Monza bar. So kung gusto nyong malasing, punta lang kayo dito. Tama ba? Kung gusto nyo malasing, punta lang kayo dito. Hindi, no? So they serve juice. Wow, pwede naman daw. Okay. Oh, yun. Check out their store. Oh, yun. Oh, guys, check nyo. Monza, this a bar? Monza bar. Oh, yan. Oh, guys, check nyo yung Facebook nila. It's Monza bar. So ito yung kanilang yun yung social medias nila. Alright. Sir, thank you. Ma'am.
I hope you guys are happy. I hope you guys are doing fine. So dito lang ulit. I would like to thank our sponsors, to our platinum sponsors. Thank you to Toyota Alabang, Alveo, Monza.
The judge of the South, Mr. Tutal Ramirez. Thank you for your time attending our event. For our second judge, Transport Show Best Contemporary Japanese Coupe, GDMU Top 3 Build, Gincana Autocross third place finisher overall, and Toyota Gazoo Racing participant, Mr. Zachary Davil. So guys, handa na po ba kayo?
Congrats, ma'am!
Punta po kayo sa stage.
Ma'am, congratulations!
Punta po kayo sa stage. Asa Miyata Kaptor, participant number 16. Please go to the stage. Congratulations. Okay, for our next award is the best 4x2 category. Goes to contestant number 29, the owner of Toyota. Please jump up on the stage.
Best of show.
We would also like to congratulate to all participants na napunta sa araw na ito. Panalo pa rin po kayo sa araw na ito dahil maganda lahat ng inyong pinisin. And for the next year, salamat!
Nice. Congrats.
Brother, ingat! Sa mga pabomba. Basina. Alright, John TV Media, we're done Fest 2025. Congratulations to the student of San Beda Auto Fest. Congratulations sa inyo, and to all the sponsors, to all the participants, congratulations sa inyo lahat. Congratulations to sa winner especially. Solid, this is a great event. Solid yung event. Thank you very much. Grabe, solid. More power to the event. Hi to the organizers, and yun. Have a great day. Like and subscribe this channel. God bless. Congratulations guys, so solid. Sir, congratulations sir. Solid. Ano? Kita kits. Ingat. Okay, alis na tayo. Solid. Congratulations to all the winners. Galing. Okay, review. Okay. Alright guys, Joms TV Media, we're already done here at San Beda Auto Fest 2025. And of course, congratulations to all the winners, sa lahat ng organizers, and to all the participants. Congratulations. Solid event. Congratulations sa inyo. Of course, the best in show goes to this Ferrari. Solid. Alright. So please like and subscribe this channel so we could create more videos and we could attend more shows like this. Have a great day. God bless. Maraming salamat.